Boost your content creation efficiency with CreativAI, save time and impress your audience. CreativAI is a game-changing content generation tool that revolutionizes the way you create content. Say goodbye to tedious brainstorming and typing, as this all-in-one tool automates content creation, saving up to 70% of your time. CreativAI tailors content to your brand's voice and style, ensuring consistency and high-quality output. With a user-friendly interface, you can effortlessly create engaging content, stunning visuals, and eye-catching videos. This must-have tool is perfect for small business owners, content creators, and marketers looking to streamline their workflow and captivate their audience. Pros of CreativAI. 1. Significant time savings. Automate content creation and save up to 70% of your time. 2. Customized content. CreativAI tailors content to reflect your brand's personality and style. User-friendly interface, no technical knowledge required, easily generate engaging and professional content. 3. Additional tools. AI-powered image and video generators enhance your content creation capabilities. 4. Regular updates. Developers provide continuous improvements and enhancements based on user feedback. Cons of CreativAI. 1. Limited creativity. Some users may find the AI-generated content lacking in originality compared to manual creation. 2. Language nuances. The AI may not always capture the subtleties of language, leading to minor errors in content generation. 3. High initial cost. The price of CreativAI may be a barrier for some individuals or businesses on a tight budget. How to earn money from CreativAI. 1. Content creation services. Offer content creation services to clients and businesses. Utilize CreativAI to streamline your workflow and deliver high-quality content efficiently. 2. Affiliate marketing. Join the CreativAI affiliate program and earn commissions by promoting the tool to your audience or network. 3. Content monetization. Use the content generated by CreativAI to fuel your blog, social media, or website, and monetize it through ads, sponsorships, or product promotions. 4. Digital product creation. Create digital products such as ebooks, courses, or templates using the AI-generated content and sell them to your audience. 5. Social media management. Offer social media management services and use CreativAI to generate captivating captions and posts for your clients' accounts. CreativAI empowers you to elevate your content creation game, save time, and impress your audience. Whether you're a content creator, business owner, or marketer, this tool will transform your workflow and help you achieve outstanding results in your content endeavors.